Hello all UPSC aspirants, myself Meenakshi Pant and you are watching The Hindu Zone. In today's well-researched and student feedback-based video, we will discuss about the best UPSC Telugu optional test series. Preparing for the UPSC exam is a daunting task, especially for Telugu medium students who require specialized resources. To aid in this journey, several platforms offer test series tailored for the UPSC Telugu optional subject. Here is a detailed look at the top 5 test series ranked according to their unique offerings and effectiveness. First rank in the list of best UPSC Telugu optional test series, we have name of India's well-renowned and prominent coaching institute, Plutus IAS. Plutus IAS stands out for its comprehensive test series, especially designed for Telugu optional subject. Their structured approach includes regular assessments, detailed performance analysis, and personalized feedback by Telugu subject expert educators and experienced mentors. Plutus IAS also provides access to experienced faculties who are well versed in teaching Telugu language and culture, ensuring students grasp complex concepts effectively. Their teaching methods and strategies are very easy to understand and even make complex subjects very easy for students. Coming in second rank, Yojana IAS is recognized for its robust curriculum and well-researched question papers. They emphasize conceptual clarity with tests. They mimic the actual UPSC exam format. Yojana IAS also offer insightful discussion on previous year questions, helping students understanding trends and important topics. Their online platform is user-friendly, providing students with an interactive learning experience. Yojana IAS best coaching for affordable test series for best UPSC Telugu optional subject. Best test series for UPSC Telugu optional rank third we have Online Khan Market. Online Khan Market is known for its affordability and accessibility. This platform offers a variety of test series packages that cater to different needs and budget, including Telugu optional test series. They emphasize on peer discussion and group studies, encourages collaborative learning, making it a great choice for students who thrive in a community setting. The question papers are curated by experienced educators, ensuring quality content. Aspirants can get downloadable test series of UPSC Telugu optional test series from Online Khan Market. In fourth place, Examophobia.com offers a unique blend of Telugu optional test series and motivational support from educators. Their innovative approach includes time-bound mock tests and strategies for effective time management during the examination. They also provide expert mentorship and resources for mental well-being, which is crucial for UPSC aspirants facing immense pressure. At fifth rank, Yanaj.com rounds off for top 5 with its focus and interactive learning and real-time feedback for Telugu optional test series. Their Telugu optional test series is designed to help students identify their strength and weakness through competitive analysis. Yanaj.com also incorporates multimedia resources such as video and articles to supplement the learning process, making it a versatile platform for various learning styles. It is also affordable. Always remember, choosing the right test series is critical for success in the UPSC exam, especially for Telugu medium students. Each of these platforms, Plutus IAS, Yojana IAS, Online Khan Market, Examophobia.com and Gyanaj.com offers unique features that cater to different needs. By leveraging these resources, aspirants can enhance their performance and increase their chance of success in the UPSC examination. For watching more educational videos, do subscribe our channel The Hindu Zone and stay tuned. Thank you.